What is up, everybody? Thank y'all for watching today's video. I want to say thank you for supporting Team Boddie, man, and just everything we do. For those who don't know me, I'm J Boddie Jr. or Junior, whatever y'all want to call me. As y'all can see in today's video, I got my first win in my new car. Second time out in the car, man, it feel real good. I want to give a big shout out to my sponsors, Pro Charger and Mike Transmissions, and a bigger shout out to my team, man, my crew, Mike Henry, Ben Bowen, Patrick Barnhill, Dan Chris. Dan Chris at BRE built a hell of a car. Day and night compared to my old car. For those who don't know me, I had a 2000 Firebird and a big nitrous motor in it, small tire. And it was just the wheelie king. All I want to do is wheelies, and if it didn't do wheelies, it struck the tires. And every time I went down the track, I had to like really drive it. But man, it's like day and night. This car is real easy to drive. It's working, going faster and faster every pass. And this season, this year, whatever, people better watch out for us in this car. So I also threw in this video what was it, 2 weeks ago, my father's race, No Excuses 8, my first time in the car. Went to the semifinals. Unfortunately, I red lit, got a little too antsy, but it is what it is. Every round, man, that was a fun weekend. Every round, windows was blowing out the car. So y'all be seeing that. And again, man, thank y'all for supporting Team Boddie. I hope y'all like the rest of this video. And if y'all haven't subscribed to the channel, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. And yep, we'll keep this thing going. Like I said, I will be uploading more to this YouTube channel. I kind of been lacking lately. Just really been focused on getting my car ready and getting it right. Being that I'm just now jumping in this car. It's a new car for me. So yeah, like I said, I will be uploading more to the channel, and I hope y'all like the rest of this video.